Welcome to our guide on creating your MEXC exchange account, your gateway to the exciting world of cryptocurrency trading. MEXC offers two convenient methods for account creation through their website or mobile app. Let's explore both options. To begin the website sign-up process, simply www.mex.com and look for the registration button. You'll have the option to register using either your email address or mobile number. Choose the method that suits you best. Enter your details in the registration form and complete the quick verification process to secure your account. For the mobile app method, start by downloading the MEXC app from your device's app store. The app sign-up process is straightforward and offers additional security verification options for your peace of mind. Don't forget to use a referral code during registration. It can provide you with valuable benefits and rewards. Enhance your account security by setting up two-step authentication. It's an essential step in protecting your assets. The identity verification, or KYC process, is crucial. It's typically quick and ensures compliance with regulations. Here are some tips for a seamless account creation experience. Use a strong password and keep your verification documents handy. Congratulations, you're now ready to start trading on MEXC Exchange. Remember to start small and always do your research. Don't miss out on the exciting world of crypto trading. Click the link below to create your MEXC account today.